Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now guys, as winters are approaching, it's already hair, so my hair becomes very dry, rough and brittle in winters, and this is something इट्स अ रियली मेजर कंसर्न फॉर मी, क्योंकि मेरे बाल जो हैं वो ऑलरेडी बहुत ड्राई हैं और विंटर्स में तो एक्स्ट्रा ड्राई हो जाते हैं, तो इट्स ऑलवेज मेजर कंसर्न फॉर मी. बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट व्हाट आई फाउंड आउट विच was totally boon for my hair. It satiates my hungry hair, if I can say so. So let me show you what I have discovered, and I am really liking it so far. So Garnier Fructis has launched their hair masks, and जो इनके hair mask है, they tell us that these are hair food. That means these are going to enrich your hair, these are going to satiate your hungry hair, और जो hair में जो nourishment आपको नहीं मिलता, जो कि सर्दियों में चला जाता है, they are going to give it back to your hair. So I got sent there 2 variants and I am really happy about it. So one variant is the banana variant and the other one is the macadamia variant. Now both the variants are really good for my hair, क्योंकि like I told you, मेरे बहुत ही डल बाल हैं और मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लगते वो विंटर्स में, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा रफ हो जाते हैं, ब्रिटल हो जाते हैं. तो इनको यूज़ करने के बाद आई हैव सीन अ डिफरेंस इन माई हेयर, एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दैट हाउ आई गॉट टू नो दैट yes, these masks have definitely worked on my hair. The very good part of their hair masks are that they are completely vegan. They don't have any paraben, any silicones. They do not have any artificial colorants or anything. Like, they don't have any nasty chemicals in their hair mask. Their hair masks are 98% natural. They don't claim it to be 100%, but yes, 98% natural. So this one is in the variant banana, and I'm going to tell you that the texture and the fragrance of this hair mask is like I can eat it. And जो इसका consistency है ना, that is so light, the texture is so light, and ऐसा नहीं feel होता जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा hard है. Like I have seen many masks जहाँ पे उनका जो मास्क है वो बहुत हार्ड हो जाता है हमारे हेयर के लिए, वो अच्छे से अप्लाई नहीं होता. बट दिस अप्लाइज सो वेल. टू माई सरप्राइज, wasn't expecting it, but smells delicious. You feel like eating it, but no, you can't eat it because this is for your hair, not for you. The very good thing about these masks are that the packaging of these masks are recyclable, so this is not harmful to our environment. Now this complete range of Garnier Fructis hair mask has a lot of shampoos and conditioners also. So you get conditioners, shampoos and hair mask together. So if you want to build a regime, you can definitely try out the same range. For example, अगर बनाना है तो इसका शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर भी है, तो आप वो वाला रेंज ट्राई कर सकते हो. गाइस, ये एक मल्टीटास्किंग मास्क है. तो मल्टीटास्किंग मास्क का मतलब ये है कि आप इसको 3 वेज में यूज कर सकते हो, एज अ कंडीशनर, एज अ हेयर मास्क एंड एज अ लीव इन कंडीशनर. तीनों वे में ये बहुत ही अच्छे से काम करेगा, आपके हेयर को बहुत ज़्यादा नरिशमेंट देगा, एंड या काफ़ी शाइनी बन जाएंगे आपके हेयर. एंड या तीनों में से कोई भी आप यूज़ करो. सो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ हाउ यू कैन यूज़ दिस मास्क इन 3 different ways. So let's go. Now guys, the very first way which I'm going to use it as a leave-in conditioner. So just take some amount on your fingers and apply on the roots of your hair as leave-in. Now these masks, they have vegan formula. They are 98% biodegradable formula. They are dermat tested. They have vegetable oils. They have no silicones, no parabens, no artificial colorants. Now these retail for somewhere around 725 rupees for 390 ml, and you get 3 years of shelf life. Now these make my hair feel very soft. You don't have to wash it. Just after washing your hair, keep the product in your hair like this and call it a day. Your hair will feel very smooth and very nice. Now the second way, you can use it as conditioner, so you don't have to waste your money on purchasing new conditioners every time. Just use it in half of your hair. Like I like to use it this way after shampoo, and then keep it for 1 minute and rinse it off. So आपको दिखेगा that आपके hair जो है वो बहुत ही shiny हो जाएंगे after washing your hair. Your hair will become very manageable, and definitely you will be liking it. And now lastly, you can use it as a mask. Just apply to wet hair after shampoo and conditioner and leave in for 1 minute and then rinse. Now it will moisturize and soothe your hair. It will make your dry hair feel very soft and healthy, and they won't weigh your hair down. It will just nourish your hair. Now guys, instead of trying out DIY recipes which can be tasking, कि DIY बनाने में इतना टाइम लगता है, फिर you don't have time these days, तो उससे अच्छा ये है कि आपको एक रेडीमेड मास्क मिल जाए जो कि आपके सारे हेयर के प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते. तो गार्नियर का यही मोटो है दैट why to try DIY recipes when you can easily get more benefits in a tub. And मैंने ज़रूर देखा है that my hair feels very soft. Like right now also I have used it as a hair mask and काफ़ी अच्छे, काफ़ी soft हो गए हैं मेरे बाल, and ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है that बहुत dry थे, and काफ़ी सही है. तो आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो तीनों में से किसी भी वे में. ये तीनों वे में ही आपको बहुत ही अच्छे रिजल्ट्स देगा. Alright guys, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed and let me know आपके क्या व्यू पॉइंट्स हैं इस प्रोडक्ट पे. सारे जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे आपको मिल जाएंगे. प्लीज डू चेक आउट माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग with links in the description box. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.